Okay, so good evening, everyone. Today I will discuss a conversation, okay, between two persons. Just for first, you listen to me carefully. Then I will ask some question about the conversation or I will give a conversation, I will give a topic between two persons like this Mohua Bhandari and Priyanka Sarkar. I will give one topic. You will discuss with each other. Got it? Okay. Okay. Very fine. Very fine. Okay. So let's start. This is the conversation between two persons. Just listen to me carefully. Okay. This is the conversation between two persons running into a friend. Two persons named Nicole and Jane. Nicole and Jen. The two persons, okay? Nicole and Jane. The two character, okay? So, Nicole first said that, "Hi Jane, what's up? I haven't seen you for ages." Jane said that, "Nicole, fancy running into you here. Do you have time for a cup of coffee?" Nicole, "Sure, we really need to catch up. Do you work around here?" Jane said that, "At the dress shop across the street, I am a sales assistant for the time being." So, Jane is a sales assistant in a dress shop. But I am hoping they will promote me to buyer after I have some experience on the floor. Nicole, "Oh, I love that shop. Their clothes are so trendy and different from the run of the mill. You look fantastic. I will bet their sales have gone up since you started working there." They say that, "You look fantastic. I will bet their sales have gone up since you started working here." Jane, "Well, I try. The thing is, I enjoy the work." Jane said that, "I enjoy the work because I love the clothes and I like helping people find what works for them. It's actually quite fulfilling." Okay. Nicole said that, "Good for you. And I think the idea of becoming a buyer is great. Before you know it, it will be working on your own designs. I remember how I used to dream of being a fashion designer." Jane, "Yeah, I think this is a step in the right direction. Now, what are you up to? The last I heard, you were about to move across the country. Do you understood?" Priyanka ma'am, Mohua ma'am, understood?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
The conversation, you understood the conversation between two persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Nicole, as a matter of fact, I just got back a couple of months ago. I am glad I went because now I know I really want to be here. I'm working as a waitress right now, but I'm hoping that to get a teaching job. I've applied to most of the local school district, so have my fingers crossed I will get something this fall." Jane said that, "What do you want to teach?" "I have heard there are openings for high school teachers in Harvard country." "No way. I have not even applied there. I will do it as soon as I get home. Man, they will be awesome if they need a biology teacher." Thanks for the tip, which reminds me waiting tables isn't all bad. On weekends, I get pretty good tips and banking on the information you just gave me. I think I will follow you back to work and splurge on a new dress. Here, this is the conversation between two-person Nicole and Jane. This is a running into a friend. Okay. Two friends are running into the street and they are talking with each other. Okay, then here when the Nicole said that what's up, what's the meaning, actual meaning, what is the meaning of what's up? What's up mean is an informal way of asking people how they are. Is an informal way of asking people what they are. Okay. When I will ask someone, what's up? When I ask someone, what's up? What's up means this is an informal way of asking people how they are. How are you? That is the main thing. What's up means how are you? What's up? What are you up to? Is a way to ask people what they have been doing lately, what they have been doing. What's up means what they have doing. What are you doing now? Okay, what are you doing now? In another word, run into. Run into means someone by chance or in an unexpected place. Someone by chance or in an unexpected place. Run up. Run up means this is the colloquial language that we have used in our colloquial language. We have used in our daily life. What's up, run into, before you know it. Before you know it. Before you know it means very quickly. Before you know it. It means very quickly. As soon as. Okay, as soon as. As soon as indicates that something will happen at the same time that something else happens. Okay. As soon as means as early as possible. We know that as early as soon as possible. But as soon as also the meaning is indicates that something will happen and same time that something will else happens. Both the incident happens together. Okay, both the incidents happens together. Then used to. I used to work. Used to means used to uses as several times. Okay, used to uses. To be used to indicates a custom or habit. Custom means rituals. A rituals or habit. Used to. I used to work every day. I used to go to church. I used to go to mosque. I used to go to temple. Okay, that the thing we every day do in our daily life. Okay, every day do in our daily life. That is the different another word, try on. Try on means to put clothing. The meaning is total different. Just see it. Try on means to wear clothing. When we said that we wear clothing, suppose we are going to some shopping mall. Okay, then you gave your daughter or son a dress. Then you said that just try on it. That's the thing. That moment you used that word, try on it. Okay, that is the main thing. Try on it. So trying them on first. You just buy before buying the clothes, you have to trial the dress. Definitely you have to trial. So you gave to your daughter and son to give them the dress, then you just said that do the trial. So no, try on it. You said try on it. Okay. Then wow. Wow is a common way to express surprise. W-O-W. Wow. Wow is a common way to express surprise. When you have seen something, okay, that unexpected scenery but unexpected moments, okay, then you said that wow, the scenery is very fine, the scenery is the movie is very exciting, the flower is very, I can't see before the flower before just the awesome, the flower is awesome. Then what word I have used? Just wow. W-O-W. Wow. No way. Another word. No way. No way means is another expression that can mean two opposite things. No way. No way. That can mean two opposite things. Definitely no. No. Or that's good news. Just no way it expresses two different things. No way it expresses two different things. One is two different things. One is the definitely no. One is definitely no. And other is good news. No way has two different meanings. One definitely no, and other is the good news. That's a good news. Okay. So when you heard some good news, but when you negate, negation, when you just express your negation about the matter, when you will use someone ask something, do you go there with me? Will you go there with me? You just say that no way. No way. It means negation. I don't like to go with you. I don't like to go with you. Just you said that no way. It means I don't like to go with you. Okay. Then on the means on the floor. On the means on means on the floor. So I am standing on the floor. It is a natural, it's a simple meaning. It is the on the floor. It is working as a salesperson in a store. Okay, so it means on the floor means working as a salesperson in a store. So if you said something about a person that is a salesperson, you just said that the man is on the floor. Okay, the man is on the floor. It describes the man is the salesperson of this shop. Okay, the man is on the floor. It describes, it means the man is a salesperson of the shop. So very interesting, very interesting. Then run on the mill. Run on the mill. Run on the mill is a describe something very ordinary or non-descriptive. Okay, run on the mill. It has two meanings. Something very ordinary, non-descriptive. It has two meanings. And then tip. Tip means, okay, tip. Tip is a very common word. Tip is a very common word. A tip is an extra payment. Suppose you have you will go dinner, okay, with your family. Priyanka ma'am just said that you told your husband, just you will say your husband, just tip something, give you some tips. You told that? Give you some tips. Tips means you have paid what you have eaten the amount, but it is the extra money that you have given to the waiter. That is the tip. Tip means extra money. Okay, understood? Then, which reminds me, that is another word, which reminds me introduces new information. Which reminds me introduces new information. New information that is remembered because of something that was just said. Okay, so which reminds me, that is the new information that is remembered because of something that was just said. Mane speaking of which, mane you describe something about that incident, about that matter, about that object. Okay, you just describe. And keep in touch. This is the very common word. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Keep in touch means to continue to contact each other. To continue to contact each other. Keep in touch. You just Mohua ma'am or Brototi Banerjee and Lima Vandari or Dricha, just you told your friends, Rima, keep in touch. Okay, so that means keep in touch means to continue to connect each other. To continue to connect each other. To continue to connect each other. That is called keep in touch. Okay, and another word, catch up. Catch up. Catch up. Catch up means to find out the news of a friend you have not seen in a while. Catch up. Catch up to find out the news of a friend that have not seen in a while. In ancient times, in earlier times, you have met your friend, and suppose suddenly you met your friend. Suddenly you met the same friend, and you are very excited. Then you said what you said? Catch up. Then you said catch up. Catch up means a sudden meet someone with your friend, and just seen him, have not seen him to a while. Okay, this is called catch up. And also one more word, me too. Me too. METOO. Me too. This is the meaning of is a way of saying. Okay? Me too is a way of saying that you agree with something positive that someone has said, or that you have an activity in common with someone else. I'm going to home now. I'm going to, just you said your friend, I'm going to home now. So you're saying in reply, what your friend said, that me too. That meaning that the me too means I am also going to home now. Okay, I'm also going to home now. Okay, so I'm asking some questions to you.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me, who is this?
Mohua Bandari.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, Ranap tar ek bar bolben, Ranap.
Yes, definitely. Just run off. Yes, run off. Run off means the way of describing something very ordinary or non-described. Run off. is a way of describe something very ordinary. If used before a noun, it has a hyphen between each word. It used without a noun, that are no hyphen. That just give an example. Give an example. My shoes are comfortable but not trendy. My shoes are comfortable but not trendy. They are quite run of the mill. Comfort mane shoes are comfortable but not trendy, but not the up to the mark. Okay, not up to the mark. So that time you have just you are using this word, that are quite run of the mill, run off. Understood? No, ma'am. Understood. Okay. Okay, so just wait for just 30 seconds. Wait for. Okay. Okay, Mohua Bhandari and Priyanka ma'am, just unmute. Unmute yourself. Yes. Just I will give a conversation, okay, about the topic. This is a coronavirus. What have you feel about the coronavirus, but in this situation, in this pandemic situation? Just converse with each other. Mohua Bhandari and Priyanka ma'am.
Hi Priyanka, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Okay.
Your family member is okay now?
Okay.
Okay. During this COVID situation, we are very fear about it, you know. So just wash your hands, keep distance, maintain, or consult with doctor if any problem occurs.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am. We are friends.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
Priyanka ma'am, say something. Ask something to your friend about this situation. What about her condition? What about her feelings about this condition? What about her feelings? You just ask me, ask Mohua ma'am, and Mohua ma'am just ask Priyanka ma'am, what about her feeling about this condition? It is a very boring and home quarantine, and it is a scaring situation.
So
You don't go outside. Just converse with each other.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me,
Okay,
tell
what is your feeling?
How is your
Please tell me.
feelings about the condition?
Sorry.
How is your feelings about this condition?
First time I am very afraid, you know, but now it will be okay. It will be running. so many or now long time. Now I'm not vaccinated, but my in-laws are vaccinated. Listed. ম্যাম ওটা কি বলবো আমার নাম লিস্টে আছে এখনো পাইনি
Yes, I'm enlisted, but
Vaccination.
I'm enlisted, but I have not got yet the vaccine.
I have not got yet
Huh.
vaccine.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
What
ma'am.
about you?
Priyanka ma'am.
I am not vaccine.
I've not
You are
vaccinated.
not vaccinated.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, just
don't
try,
worry.
try.
Just stay at home.
Ma'am, just
We
try.
cannot.
Just,
We cannot
just stay at
go.
home.
Cat is going.
Yeah.
Yes.
You stay in your in-laws' home.
Ma'am is
Still about-
asking that what about your in-laws? In-laws are vaccinated? Priyanka ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Then risk will be decreased. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, okay.
I just
Okay,
tried.
okay. Very fine. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Welcome.
Okay, just mute yourself. And Sanchayan Bag and Rima Bhandari. Just on your video, Aryan Ahmed, Syed Jishan, Sabira Begum, Ihan Mondol, Audrey Shaw. Everyone on your video. Jishan, Sabira Begum, Ihan Mondol, on your video. Yes. Okay, Rima Bhandari, just unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your feelings about this coronavirus situation? What about your feelings? Just tell me.
For me, coronavirus is very dangerous because my husband suffering a lot for coronavirus.
Okay.
First, I suffered from coronavirus.
Yes.
After me, my husband also suffered coronavirus, but his condition is very critical.
Okay.
First, he suffered from fever.
Okay.
Then he faced diarrhea.
Oh, yes.
But
This is most common thing in coronavirus. My mother has also
Yes,
suffered
ma'am.
that diarrhea. Yes. Okay.
he is মানে কি হয়, he is मतलब
Yes.
মানে স্যার ম্যাম এটা আমি কি বলবো যে ও এতটাই অসুস্থ হয়ে গেছিল যে কথা বলতে পারছিল না, গলা থেকে আওয়াজ
He
বেরোচ্ছিল
was
না।
he was so sick that he is not speaking with someone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And Shanchan Bag,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
what about your feelings about the coronavirus situation? Tell me something. 2 or 3
Very
lines.
bad condition.
Hmm.
Very bad condition. It's time. I am suffered.
Yes.
I am suffered.
Okay.
I take first vaccine. ম্যাম
Okay.
প্রথম ভ্যাকসিন নিয়েছে, এটাই হবে তো
Okay.
ইংলিশে।
Yes.
ফার্স্ট ভ্যাকসিন। ম্যাম
Okay.
take some medicine.
Now you're okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
I am
thank
okay.
you. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, just Shayyad Jishan. Shayyad Jishan, just tell me about your feelings about the coronavirus situation.
Yes, ma'am.
Shayyad Jishan, tell me about your feelings about this coronavirus.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Coronavirus.
Yes, tell me, tell me.
Coronavirus is a very dangerous.
Yes, tell me, tell me. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Just tell me what you have just telling. Just tell me.
Healthy coronavirus.
Okay. Don't worry. Okay. So I will ask some questions. I will ask, and you will write whatever you wish. Okay. Some questions, some exercises. Just write down the exercises. Choose between there is and there are. There is and there are. To complete the following sentence, where we put there is and where we put